Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans and I'm gonna bring you a grocery haul today. So I've got 2 bags on the floor, 3 bags on the counter. I did go to HEB today. I said I wouldn't, but I did. And I got a thing there. I got some protein powder here. So I'm gonna unpack everything and then I will briefly bring you guys back and kind of show you guys what I got. So I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, you guys, bag number 1. I did get some bananas, some almond butter, freshly ground. They did have a meal deal on this Martin cinnamon sugar breakfast bread. Loaf of bread. I got another loaf of bread somewhere in one of these bags. Some sub rolls, hot dog buns, 3 things of Magic Pop because it was buy one get 2 free, and then some cotton candy grapes, some celery, a jug of vinegar, a 2-liter of Pepsi. So, and then I did get some fabric softener that they put with my groceries. I don't know why they bag stuff like that, but whatever. So that's bag number 1. So I'm gonna get this clear off the counter and then I'll bring you guys for another bag. All right, you guys, this is the next bag. So I got some Hatch chili ranch, some regular ranch, some hot pico because I'm gonna make some pinto beans, some cheddar beans, some cheese that we got on a meal deal with the some sausages that we got, some cheese sticks, double pepper cheese sticks, queso fresco, black beans. I got some more black beans. They're probably in one of these bags. My husband requested grapefruit, so we got some of that. Can of refried beans, black-eyed peas. We got 2 things of yogurts here. My son got one and I picked one. Almond milk for the protein drinks, egg whites, pancakes, brownies. All right, everyone, here's the next bag. Y'all ready? That's a bunch. Okay, so let's go fast. I need to get this stuff in the fridge. Hot Pockets, Thousand Island. We got some canned beans here. This was on a meal deal. These 2 I got. This is some tomatillo sauce to go with like a guisado. Ketchup because we were out. My son wanted a coffee cup, so we got him a coffee cup. Some chips. This was on a meal deal. This we got to have extra. We got some collagen peptides, some mayo, some minced onion. We got 2 seasonings here, all-purpose Creole and blackened. We got some regular coffee creamer for the oatmeal coming up. Peanut butter, some mole verde, olive oil, soy sauce, corn, the buttery oil for the stove, for cooking. 2 bars that I wanted to try. They're new flavors and I wanted to try and see if they're any good. Some ham slices for breakfast tomorrow, some pork carnitas, some jalapeno sausage deal. So this was on the meal deal. So if you bought this and you get like chips, a can of ranch beans, a pack of cheese, corn chips. I forgot what else. But you get all that like on a meal deal if you just buy the jalapeno sausage. So that's what I did. 2 couscous vegetables for sides. I got some skirt steak. I want to make some fajitas for dinner, either today or tomorrow, probably tomorrow. Some sausages because they were on sale, some almonds, some water packs, some granola bars, long grain wild rice, some mac and cheese, a pack of pork gravy, some walnuts for the brownies, bacon bits, some steak seasoning for the skirt steak. We got 2 different coffee K-cups, cinnamon hazelnut and Hub City blend. These are local to Texas. The Cafe Olé is the HEB brand, so you guys probably don't have that where you live, but it is amazing. Stovetop, some toaster pastries back there, some Pop-Tarts, some Oreos, cookies and, not Oreo, but cookies and cream, chewy bars, some mint tea, because we like sweet tea, some ramen noodles for hard times, some Crystal Light, banana nut oatmeal, some jar of mole sauce, sweet and salty almond bars, some trail mix for my husband, a pack of pinto beans, and I think that's everything we got in this batch right here. So I'll bring you guys back for the last bag. All right, y'all. Last batch. Here we go. All right, we got eggs, bread, but they smudged my loaf terribly. It's like totally flat. They put it at the bottom of the bag of all of this, so it got smashed. So I think I'm gonna turn this into like a French toast casserole or something like that. I need to Google the recipe, but I remember seeing it before, so I'm gonna Google it, find it, and I think I'll use the bread for that, so as not to waste it. Matchstick carrots, some sweet potatoes for my dog, or maybe for me, I don't know yet. We might have to fight. Some sweet petite carrots, bell peppers. We got a bunch of cilantro, 2 heads of green leaf lettuce, some calabacita or squash in English, green beans, some spring mix to go with the lettuce. I'm gonna mix it all together and make like a salad mix. Some bagels from a request, and I think that's everything we got. So that was everything. I will put you guys the total on the screen and tell you guys how much I spent, and I'll do the grocery scroll so you can see how much everything costed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the video.